Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to set up Porkbun with Mailgun. So step number 1, add your domain to Mailgun. Sign up or log into your Mailgun account. Navigate to the domain management section and add your domain, the one you use with Porkbun. Copy Mailgun's DNS records. After adding your domain, Mailgun will provide specific DNS records that you need to set up with your DNS provider. Copy these records to your clipboard. Log into your Porkbun account, open your web browser and go to Porkbun's website, and then log into your account. Navigate to the DNS records in Porkbun. From the domain management screen, locate the domain you want to connect to Mailgun. Click the Details drop-down menu, then select the Edit icon next to DNS records. Delete any conflicting records. On the Manage DNS Records screen, scroll to find any existing SPF or DKIM TXT records. Remove any records that might conflict with Mailgun's configuration by clicking the trash can icon next to them. Add Mailgun's DNS records. Add the SPF record from Mailgun by creating a new TXT record. Add the DKIM record from Mailgun by creating another new TXT record. Ensure you enter the information exactly as Mailgun provides it, copying and pasting the values precisely. Wait and verify. Wait for DNS changes to propagate. This can take a few minutes up to 48 hours in some cases. Once the DNS records have propagated, your domain will be verified in Mailgun and you can start sending emails. And that's it. Thanks for watching.